I didn't start when I was supposed to. And I know some of you understand that immediately. Because there's always that voice that says, start fresh, start strong, start on the first. And then there is real life. Real life wakes up late, real life gets tired, real life says, not today. So days pass, and suddenly you are not starting anymore. You are avoiding starting. I kept telling myself, it's already late. And somehow late started to feel like failure. Not dramatic failure, just quiet disappointment. The kind where you don't even talk about it, you just carry it. And the longer you wait, the heavier starting feels. Because now it's not just a beginning, it's an apology to yourself. What no one tells you is this: most people don't start on time, they just don't talk about it. They start after feeling confused, after doubting themselves, after scrolling for motivation and finding none. Starting late is actually very normal. We just pretend it's not. At some point, I realized something small but important. Waiting to feel ready was costing me more than starting imperfectly ever could. I didn't need confidence, I didn't need clarity. I just needed to stop being so hard on myself. So instead of asking why didn't I started earlier, I asked, what if I start now? And nothing bad happened. The world didn't end. No one was disappointed. The pressure I imagined, it disappeared the moment I stopped fighting myself. Sometimes the problem isn't starting late. It's believing that late means you don't deserve to start at all. If you're listening to this and there is something you have been putting off, not because you don't care, but because you care too much, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not behind. You are not lazy. You don't miss your chance. You are just human. And humans don't move in straight lines. We start things halfway. We restart things again. We change our minds. And somehow we still grow. That's not failure. That's life being honest. If you are starting something today, late, unsure, and quietly, I am proud of you. And if you are not ready yet, it's okay too. This space isn't going anywhere. You can come back tomorrow or the day after. We will start from where we are together.